Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on the mic monitoring on HyperX Cloud 3 in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to press Windows plus I on your keyboard in order to open the system settings of your PC. Now over here, select the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Now here, when you are inside sound, you just have to scroll down a bit, and here you need to look for the option of more sound settings. When you click on it, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you. Over here, select the recording tab, then select your headset. Afterwards, simply click on the option of properties. Now here inside it, you just have to open the listen tab and you need to turn it on. Listen to this device and then click on the option of apply. Now you are going to hear your own voice in the real time. You can also go to the level tab in the same properties windows, and then you can adjust the microphone levels so that your voice is clear but not loud. This particular step is going to prevent the echo or any kind of distortions. Now after following this step, you just have to simply open your HyperNgenuity application. If available, make sure that you enable the mic monitoring and side tone settings. This provides a clearer monitoring experience than Windows. If you notice any kind of delay, make sure that you lower the system load and use software based monitoring instead. Windows monitoring may have slight latency. Now you can start speaking in the mic and adjust the settings until it sounds natural. Just make sure that it is not too loud or too distracting. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.